Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about SEO titles and meta descriptions and alt tags. Exciting stuff. But Squarespace has really changed the game with their AI that's built into their platform, making this so much easier for users, making it so much easier with their AI to give you a place to start, but then also putting everything in one place so that you don't have to go from page to page on the back end of your website and from image to image on page to page to go in and put the SEO titles and the SEO descriptions, and then also the alt text on the back end of every image that's on your website. It puts it all in one place and it makes it so convenient. So let's jump right into this. Let's head over to my screen and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, like always over here on my demo website. And to get to where we are going to adjust our SEO appearance and then the alt descriptions, you're going to either, you got two ways you can get there. You can go into your settings and then go marketing and then SEO appearance. But if you can't remember all that, the easiest way to ever find anything on Squarespace is just to hit the / on your keyboard, same key as the question mark, and then we can just type in SEO. Okay, and then we go SEO appearance. All right, and you see right here that you have an SEO report. All right, so there's 9 out of 14 pages are missing metadata, and then 26 out of 26 images are missing alt text. And so we can get into all of why you need these things, but it's for search results, but also for accessibility, with especially these alt text. But I'm going to get into all that. It's for another video, but for the time being, we're just going to. So all you have to do here is hit improve with AI. Okay, so then it scans the site. It's going to take a second here. It's analyzing. All right, and then you see right here the SEO metadata. You have, this is page 1 of 2 here, so you can scroll down through here and you can see it tells you how your Meet the Team page will show up in search results. All right, and this is with their AI produced title and description here. And so you can see it has it for each of these pages. And you can get down here to the bottom. I'm gonna move myself out of the way. We could just save and continue to keep all of these, or you have the option to go in and edit. And so you can change the title, you can change the description to whatever you need it to be. We could go cancel there. You could also, like, if you didn't know what to put, you just didn't like the way that this sounded, you could hit regenerate and it will try again. And you can see what it comes up with that time if you like this time, and see if you like, this a little bit better, and then go from there. And you can edit again. I would recommend that you don't just take this for, you know, and think that they're going to do it perfect. I would read over every single one of these and make sure that it's accurate information and that they didn't just really goof something up, because AI is not perfect. It can mess things up. So it's best to add probably your own personal touch to each of these, but it gives you a great place to start, especially on, like, with the length of the description and the title. And the best part about it is it puts it all in one place. You don't have to go individually from page to page and set up the SEO title and description. And it's even better for the alt tags and the images, which we'll get to here in just a second. But for the purpose of this video, let's just go ahead and let's say that we've went in and we've, went through and checked all these and we've got them set up the way we want. And so we're just going to go save and continue now. And now that's where it comes to the alt text and these images. And I'm trying to move myself out of the way here. And you see on each of these pictures, it gives you a description. It's just going to give you an as is description of the image from the way that Squarespace's AI sees it. So it's not going to be anything for, it can improve the SEO, but it's also to make things more accessible for visually impaired site visitors, like it says here in the description. It doesn't display anywhere in your site, but it is what, like, screen readers for people that are visually impaired, when they hover over one of these images, this is the text that it will be read by the screen readers. So you got to keep that in mind. But then also, like, if you're trying to put in keywords that will show up, for local SEO and things like that, the AI, Squarespace's AI doesn't know all of that. It doesn't have the context to be able to come up with that. So that's why you'd be able to go in and edit. And so you would just hit edit, and then you can click in here and change whatever you need to. But again, we can also just regenerate and see what they come up with the second time. Or, and again, I don't recommend this, but for the purpose of this video, let's just say that it did perfect here, and we're going to accept the alt text that it came up with on every one of these images. And so all you would have to do if you're going to accept all that, or once you get it to where it needs to be by editing or regenerating, you just click save. And then you see here, all the pages have metadata now, all the images have alt text. And so you can see how, like, especially with those pictures, to be able to save, to be able to come up with the alt text, it's such a time saver to be able to go through and do it all in one place on the website, instead of having to go from one page to the next, click on the image, go into the image settings, and then be able to, and on that, in that part, put in the alt text. It's just all in one place, and it's makes it so convenient. So anyhow, that's all there is to this. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.